In this video, we will be finding the derivative of tangent functions. So let's say we have tan x, then the derivative will be secant x squared. And let's say we have tan f of x, then the derivative will be secant f of x squared times the derivative of f of x. And now let's do a few examples. In our first example, we have the derivative of tan 3x plus 5. So the derivative is secant 3x plus 5 squared times the derivative of 3x plus 5. So the derivative of 3x is 3, and the derivative of 5 is 0. So that gives us 3, and we can rearrange this as 3 times secant 3x plus 5 squared. And here is our final answer. In our next example, we have the derivative of tan 3x squared plus x. So the derivative will be secant 3x squared plus x times the derivative of 3x squared plus x. So the derivative of 3x squared would be 6x, and the derivative of x is simply 1. And here is our final answer. In our next example, we have x times tan x. So here we would have to apply the product rule. So first we have the derivative of x, which is equal to 1, times tan x plus x times the derivative of tan x, which is simply secant x squared. And here is our final answer. In our next example, we have e to the x times tan x squared. So let's first find the derivative of e to the x, which is e to the x times tan x squared plus e to the x times the derivative of tan x squared. And remember, using the formula, we have secant x squared times the derivative of x squared, which is simply 2x. And if you want, we can factor out the e to the x. So we have e to the x times tan x squared plus, and now we can rearrange this as 2x secant x squared squared. And here is our final answer. In our next example, we have tan x over x. So now we would have to apply the quotient rule. So remember, the quotient rule is x times the derivative of tan x, which is secant x squared, minus the derivative of x, which is 1, times tan x over x squared. And we could rewrite this as x times secant x squared minus tan x over x squared. And here is our final answer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and please comment down what other videos you guys would like to see in the future. And thank you very much for watching.